Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get more views on Facebook video. So if you usually upload a video into Facebook, but probably your videos don't get much views, so here I'm going to show you I'm going to give you some tips on how you can optimize your videos. First, you can create an engaging thumbnails like this. For example, you can see this videos right here. There will be some thumbnails on the videos, and after that you can go with captivating titles. You can create titles, not create simple titles like this, just 2021. You can create an engaging title so that the viewers will get curious on what the video is. And you can also create a relevant descriptions like this ones right here, and you can also add captions so that everyone can see or understand the content of the videos. You can also try to promote your videos. You can share it widely, or you can also use the paid advertising on Facebook. And you can also do cross promotion, so you can promote your videos into other social media platforms like I said before. You can share it widely, and you can also do email marketing. And after that, you can engage with your audience. So if someone leave a comment on your video, you can respond to the comments and encourage them to sharing it again. And you can also go live streaming. You can attract more viewers by doing that. And you can also use the Facebook Insight to track your video's performance and identify areas for improvement. So I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.